Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by changing the operating system's regional time format because Outlook Desktop and Mac clients use the OS setting. On Windows, go to Settings Time and Language or Control Panel Region. On Mac, open System Settings or Preferences Language and Region and choose Advanced. Once done, locate time formats. You'll edit short time or long time to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour displays. Make these edits now. Don't try to find a separate switch inside Outlook because it won't override the OS. Next, you set the precise format values so Outlook shows the time you want. On Windows, use additional settings time and set short time to H, MMTT for 12-hour with AM/PM or HH, MM for 24-hour. Adjust long time similarly for seconds or full labels. On Mac, use the Times tab to check the short and medium patterns and select 24-hour if required. After saving, quit Outlook and relaunch it so the client reads the updated regional formats. This is necessary for the change to appear in calendar views. Finally, verify the change by creating a new calendar event and inspecting its time labels. This confirms Outlook is using the OS format. If you don't see the update, restart your computer and sign out of Outlook, then sign back in, because cached processes can hold old settings. If it still fails, make sure the correct language/region pack is installed and remove any conflicting custom time formats. Key tip: clearing the Outlook cache or recreating the profile will force the client to reload system regional settings and usually resolves lingering mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.